Yes, Sampanna.
Ma'am, what is this for? The project title?
Sampanna, I guess you were absent in last lab.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. No issue. Wait 2-3 minutes more. So if any other students are going to join, then I will explain you. Okay. So no
Okay.
one will left to get idea. So meanwhile,
Okay.
just try to think about one simple project definition.
Ma'am,
Okay.
Like my previous semester, we did a
Yes, you
project.
you you can carry on with this also. No issue.
Mm, okay, ma'am. But
Oh.
this is the HTML code or ma'am,
Yes, you
which
need to do coding using HTML, CSS, and
HTML?
JavaScript. Yes,
Okay, ma'am.
yes,
Ma'am,
yes.
but
In
ma'am,
detail, I will tell you in 5 minutes. No worries.
ma'am,
Yes.
but that 7 day workshop is not enough for HTML, JavaScript, and CSS.
For that, you need to continuously work, or we can say continuously need to see those exercises. And again, you need to select different definition to use those attribute and text. You are
Oh,
completely correct. Even one semester is not enough to learn any language, right? We have
yes,
to
ma'am.
work on that in continuous manner.
Yeah,
So
ma'am.
there are so many NPTEL videos, links, so many tutorial points, or even you can find so many help of videos that you
Self
can
learning.
embed in your work. Yes, yes.
Okay, ma'am. We will do it.
Okay, okay. And those 7 day workshop video are already there on YouTube, right? So if you are facing any query and you can recognize that the same topic you had learned in that 7 day workshop, then you may verify those videos even. Regina, online shopping has been taken by so many students, so that is not
Excuse me, ma'am.
possible. Yes,
ma'am,
Sampana.
Ma'am,
ma'am,
it's mandatory to give project title by today.
Yes, actually, today is even late. From today itself, we need to start coding on this. But as so many people were absent, that is why I'm giving you liberty of some time. That means in a 10 minutes, you need to give me the title. Afterwards, you need to start working on that.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Shubham, you were asking something?
ma'am. In my project title, can I choose like Subham Su e-commerce?
No, no, no. That is not appropriate. There are lots of definition. Why you people are stuck with e-commerce?
Ma'am, you can give us
It is
example,
like
ma'am.
it seems like Ashish was saying correct. You are going to copy Sarika's code?
Ma'am, it's like Control C, Control V.
No, no, no. Shubham tried to identify one new definition.
Ma'am, you can
Yes,
give me any,
Ravi.
ma'am. Actually, I'm,
No, no, no. How can I? How can I? You can take help of Google. I'm not having any issue. Okay, Ashish. Thank you. Yes,
Shubham,
Janitu,
don't worry.
biography is title for your application. Janitu, Gainitu, sorry. But see, you can see, Johannes has already taken that biography. So again, you cannot take that biography.
Ma'am, when is the submission of this project?
Yes, what?
Submission of this project, ma'am, deadline.
At end of semester. I will tell you. Just a minute. I will answer to Ashish's query about question number 4. So I am verifying that exercise list. Wait a minute.
Ma'am,
Yes.
uh, can you write like a Shubham Dance Academy?
On for website, what you will find as a content of 10 pages.
10 pages.
Yes.
I will
Just
upload some
huh,
video like
huh.
video and
But
choreography like
how you will able to create 10 pages? And that is your real videos, like you are dancing and you are uploading, is it so?
no ma'am, like
Then
I have
how?
learned from YouTube and like types of categories.
No, no, no. I will not find any foolproof content in this. Yes, Ashish, you are correct. Exercise number 4. You need to add some CSS styles on your CV. That's it. In the document, or it is on a. Wait a minute. Question number 4. Provide a nice and different style to CV, timetable, and registration page web pages using CSS 3.
Ma'am, we have to provide the CSS in the code that we have written previous in question 1, 2, and 3, right? Hello, ma'am.
Hello, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am. Now audible.
Okay, okay.
Yes
Yes,
ma'am.
you were
Ma'am.
correct. You need to use CSS of on all three questions like CV, registration, and timetable.
Yes, ma'am. So in that question number 4, we have to paste the code of HTML and CSS both, or just CSS?
No, both, because you need to apply style sheet on the documents. So whenever
Yes,
you
ma'am.
are running that code, definitely that must affect on your original code, like code of CV, code of timetable, and code of registration.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, Ravi, you are correct. So fine, those who were absent in the last session, let me brief about what we need to do now onwards in this HCDA laboratories. Okay, Rohit, just wait a minute. Once I will reach at your name, you can give me your title. Okay. So see, before the this project title, I had pasted. I had shown you the exercise, 7 exercise. Yes or no? Let me show you that even. Just a minute. Okay, fine. So this document I had already uploaded, right, on the classroom, and the deadline for the same to upload your answer is 10th of March. Okay, so now there are 10 questions, but you just need to complete say only any 7 question as per your choice. Okay, any 7 question as per your choice, and that you can complete whenever you are free. Once the complete document is ready in the PDF format, you need to upload on the classroom. I had already uploaded this as an assignment exercise of this HCDA subject. You can verify your classroom. Okay, so that is you can consider as your homework. Now, apart from this, you need to do the project. So for project, you can choose any definition as per your choice, but the condition is you need to implement that project by your own. Okay? And in the implementation, you can use HTML, JavaScript, and CSS. This is the minimal requirement. If you are aware with any other framework or any like database connectivity for dynamic website, then you can embed, no issue. But the minimal requirement is you must need to use the things which you had learned at time of workshop. Okay, now here in this semester, you need to implement this as a static website. You are not required to implement as a dynamic website. That means there is no requirement of database connectivity or any other stuff. Very basic static website. And the minimum 10 pages you need to implement. 10 pages, that means, for example, someone has created a website of online shopping. Suppose I am going to click on a category, then it will redirect me on the next page. After that, suppose I am going to click on clothing, then it will redirect me on the third page. Then after specification like a gender selection, then again it will have some new menu to display. Okay, likewise you need to create different 10 pages, and the submission for the same is at the end of semester. That means you can consider like end of April. In end of April, I will ask you to present your to give demo of your complete project. Okay, until time in every laboratory, I will assess like how many things you had completed. First, I will ask what you are planning to implement today, and at the end of lab, I will ask that what you had implemented. Okay. Yes. So your complete HCDA subject term marking will be based on your project as well as your exercise. Those 7 exercises. Now, any query in this? First, let me. Yes,
Ma'am, uh,
yes.
you can write for me like a culture tradition website.
Wait a minute, Shubham. First, let me complete any query on this explanation. Then I will ask one by one for their project title. First, ask if any student is having query. Any query? Yes or no? Please say yes or no. Okay, fine. Yes, now tell me, Shubham, what is your title?
Ma'am, you can write like a cultural website,
Sorry?
cultural or tradition website, like
No.
in different places, what they are performing, their culture, tradition, their clothes, everything will be maintained on that.
Cultured website. I might have found this kind of thing. Okay, it is hidden tourism places. Fine. So the title, you just select some good title like
Like culture in my places, like where I live, I will maintain all the, it will
yes,
cover all the 10 pages.
I'm getting what you are planning to keep in your website. But what should be the title which look like website title?
As a website, ma'am.
How it is fashion website, Ashish?
Ma'am, he is talking about that clothes, right, ma'am?
No,
Cloth,
that is culture.
everything can come under fashion, ma'am.
No,
Like,
that is
like
culture.
ma'am, cultural tradition include their clothes, everything what they
So fashion can be
wear
good,
in
ma'am.
their,
Except
what they
clothing,
eat,
yes.
what they
Traditional
eat on
fashion,
their
ma'am. Modern
culture.
fashion.
No.
Ma'am, you can just simply write cultural website.
From see, you people are not getting. I am finding the same query in every lab. The website name you need to select like from the name itself. Any unknown person can get idea. Suppose you are planning to have a website of study material, right? And you are keeping name like ABCXYZ. And from the name itself, no any other student will going to refer your
Ma'am,
marks.
ma'am,
Yeah.
you can write like culture in Nepal.
Culture in India?
Nepal.
Nepal. Okay. Culture in Nepal. Or tradition in Nepal.
Yes, ma'am.
Culture or tradition? This will allow me for three. Okay. This one is four. Again.
Okay,
Three.
ma'am.
Again. Okay. After that, Mobrato is it present? Yes, Mobrato. Are you there? Mobrato. What is your title? Shubham, you can mute yourself. Sports event is already taken, Mobrato. See, one is related to lab score, one is sports management. So select something else.
Ma'am, actually,
How can I pass this next? After point, yes. The fractional values, we don't have any digit. So what we have to do here, we need to allow that. Gym website. Gym. After fraction point, gym website. Any number of digits. So for any number of digits, I need to. So what you will provide in your website, gym website? Digits. This is for S4. Clear? Yes, Mobrato. Okay, so till now any doubt?
Yes, ma'am.
What you will provide in that website? Till now any doubt? Yes.
Just I'm giving you the title of that project.
Now, it may be possible. Sorry, title of?
That project.
Yes, but what you will provide on your website, gym website, I am asking. What you are planning to implement? So how we can do? So we must
I'm
have to
going to build a website how to work out and create.
So in that, are you able to create 10 pages? Which will allow us for exponential learning.
What say?
10 pages are you able to create in this gym website? Either plus or minus.
Let me try. I have no clue. So just
Okay. And give me some appropriate title like name of website. It's not like simply gym.
okay.
You can write it down in the chat box if you are finding. Lyle. Tourism guidance. It is there. Okay, no, it is not there. So it is final. Tourism guidance.
Okay.
Tourist guidance. What about 4 digits? Where I can put this 4. So for that purpose, Lila's tribute page. You have to create one more page. So what are the things you will keep on this, Lila? After finalizing. So here I am putting one more page. Okay, here I am putting one more page, which will allow me to. Yes. Visit. Okay, and that will be equals to 4 according to this example, red color example, this way. Then it to simply registration form, how you will implement 10 pages? Do you get my point?
So for that, I need to repeat that speed. Like other, if any other digits are there, then you can repeat this speech. Three, so 4 and 6 both are accepted in this speech.
So using registration page, you cannot create 10 pages.
We don't have plus sign over here. We don't have that dot.
Meanwhile, Sampanna,
Ma'am, actually, I'm still searching.
We have past
I don't
over
find.
here. So how we can do it? So according to
Ma'am,
this example,
excuse me,
yes,
ma'am.
anything. Yes, Sampanna.
Ma'am, can I mail you by today evening? Is that okay?
Why that much time you require?
Okay, ma'am. Then I will give it the last, ma'am. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
All right, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
after what I don't have any.
Ravi has already selected. After that, Sandesh. Sandesh. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
What is your definition?
Ma'am, resourceful website.
Sorry? Resource?
Resourceful. RESOURCEFUL.
I mean, what you are planning to keep that?
Ma'am, in this website, I am trying to keep some useful content for the people who are looking for specific links and contents. Like if I want to build a career on cybersecurity, then I'll provide some useful links for learning, free learning, and contents about that.
So how you can create 10 pages in this website?
Ma'am, I have different topics like computer science and cybersecurity and other stuff. I can create for different
Okay, fine.
topics on different pages.
Okay, fine. Neeraj? Neeraj is not there, right? Anmol?
You can see here.
Yes, ma'am.
What is your website?
We not have to follow the same pattern.
Ma'am, I will create the freelancing website, ma'am.
Freelancing is already
Which is speech. Okay, so that speech to be digit C. This one. So it will allow me what? It will allow me the any number of digits, like 2, as per our
here.
example. So here
Vikas has taken. Anmol, are you there?
Yes, ma'am, I'm there. Yes.
after that,
You need to select some other website.
that is
Ma'am, can you give me some time?
How much time? 10 minutes?
clear. So
Yes, ma'am. Only 10 minutes. I will
Okay, no
think.
issue, no issue. Okay. Regina, Amy, that means absent.
39.37.
Hmm. So those who have already selected the title, they can start working on this, okay?
Hello,
Regina
ma'am.
restaurant, yes, Anmol?
Can I make about the gaming website? Like I can describe about games and what are the revenue, how much they earn, like that, ma'am. About game only.
Okay, Allah.
Yes, you can. So what should be the title for that?
Uh, Only, ma'am, write game games.
No, from game how someone can get it.
Games info. Yeah, you can write also games info. Yeah, Assis as that.
As
Games
Ashish
info.
has said. Okay. Games info. I
Yeah.
don't find it out that much efficient, but let's keep it as games info. Okay.
Yes.
Regina restaurant website is again taken by, like one is cooking recipe, after that one is
This is for unsigned.
where it is.
So I have explained this diagram one by one. Okay, if I'm asking you to do a transition diagram only for the fractional value, so which part you need to?
Restaurant is taken.
Okay, then if I'm asking related with this exponential and sine numbers,
Rohit, Mamratom has already taken tourist guidance. So in the tours and travels, what are other things you will provide? Like online booking and what are the rates? After that, what are the scene city, particular city, all those stuff. Are you planning to get? Okay, so before you're moving towards this, various sightseeing of a particular city. Is it so? Yes, Mobrat, sorry, Rohit.
Ma'am, tours and travels.
Yes, if you didn't.
Yes, I am getting, but what things you are providing in that?
If I not mention that this digit word, how can I say why this is why I am repeating?
Yes.
For what purpose I am repeating? If I write A, so after this digit, I must have to pass A on this. I cannot pass any other than this digit word. Okay? For what purpose you need to repeat this stage? Which character you want to accept while you are repeating this stage? That thing you need to mention. जो हमारे कोई character repeat कराओ छे, I must have to move this digit word and I need to write character A to Z. That means એમાંથી કોઈ भी character repeat કરી શકશે. તો you have
Okay, Rohit. No, guidance of tourist you cannot provide. See, Mobratam has taken. See, you need to think something else.
okay, yes. Let me give one more example. If I ask to draw the transition diagram for, you can say arithmetical operation like plus, minus, multiplication, division. So are you able to draw that diagram, transition diagram? Yes or no?
Rohit, what I suggest, you can provide like, suppose someone want to visit Bombay, right? Then what are the sightseeing place in the Bombay? What are the rates of hotel? From where you will find different food like vegetarian, non-vegetarian. Some places related to dinner, some places related to lunch. Do you get this?
Yes, ma'am.
So that you can keep because in the tourist travel, in the tourist guidance, you are having the same thing which Mobra Tom has taken.
Transition diagram, try to do it and
So do you get my point?
5 minutes to work on it and then I'll
Okay, fine.
okay, is that fine? Question is clear to you people? Yes. Am I clear with the question?
After that, Regina.
So now we can
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Actually, I just searched on Google and I found a title. It's a actually I don't did research on much research on this, but with this title is I think good for me. It's a birthday wishes. It's an automatic birthday wisher, ma'am.
Can you write it down in the chat box?
Okay, ma'am. This is here.
Yes, Regina, gallery website of what? Yes, Regina. Please do reply quickly.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am, actually, I just wrote there birthday wisher, ma'am.
birthday wisher. So how you will create 10 pages of website?
Actually, ma'am, I don't have a much time to think about this. I just searched on Google and I found this
But you need to keep in mind, like whatever title you are selecting, you must able to create 10 pages of website.
10 pages website.
Yes, 10 pages.
Okay, ma'am.
Regina, all types of photo. But just give me some good name. Photo gallery. Can I write it down? That is fine. Yes, Regina, this is fine. Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, can I add a title as presentation so that the presentation slides are there? That is of 10 pages. I can make it like this.
No, no, no. Website you need to make.
Okay. Website.
Ganatu, yes. Now only Sampanna is left to submit his topic. Fine. So what about other students? What you people are doing by today? Because today is your first lab. Those who have selected the topic, I am suggesting you. Still, you are having 15 minutes of time. You can start collecting your content. Okay. That means suppose here Shubham is working on culture in Nepal, so we will require some images. So start collecting those. After that, Mobratom needs to uh, confirm various tourism places. So start collecting those. Then same way for other students. Okay. So I hope everyone is doing the same. Am I correct? Okay. So start doing the same. And Sampanna, you just try to select some good topic. Yes, Sampana, now you are getting any definition? Sampana, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you get any definition?
Ma'am, actually, I'm searching for this.
Still, so many students are finding definition quickly. Please do it fast. You
Actually,
can
ma'am,
take
I
help
don't
of
get.
your friends. Yes?
Actually, I don't get up my as of my choice, ma'am. That's why I taking time. There are
Do
lots of.
it fast. Yes, there are lots of, but do it fast.
Okay, ma'am.
That we have business. Okay. Now, how we can implement that regulation? We have to make it. Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes?
Ma'am, I found a topic. It's a quiz game, ma'am. It's it will be of 10 pages also.
Which topic?
quiz game.
Quiz and game, how both can be together?
Sorry, ma'am.
Quiz and game.
No, not a quiz and game, ma'am. It's a quiz game. It's like a quiz contest. We can uh, do from this website, ma'am. I'll just upload the question in the data code, ma'am. It's like a quiz game
Okay.
in all games quiz. Yeah.
Okay. Fine. So can I write it down? Games
Yes,
quiz
ma'am.
is
Yes, yes,
another
yes.
thing. Okay, then start working on this.
Actually, ma'am, I have to leave. Sorry for this
Sorry?
today. Actually, I have to leave, ma'am.
Why every day you need to leave early?
Ma'am, actually, I'm in village, ma'am, and there is a grandmom who is dead by today, ma'am. I have to attend that funeral.
Okay. Okay, fine.
So everyone is forcing me. You have to go. Actually, I am alone in my house. That's why.
Okay, fine. No issue. You can leave.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye.
Okay.